right, Jessica, he warned us that we'd have a up and down forecast. We're kind of on the up right now when we're going down.
Yes, we're definitely on the up right now. We were about 10 degrees above average today. Now we're going to be about 10 degrees below average later this week. It can't last long. But in the meantime, we did a lot of melting the last couple of days, especially areas that had a lot of snow. So check this out. This is I-90 right near Madison in Lake County. This is an area that had almost 3 feet of snow. And if you look kind of towards the bottom left, I know it's dark. I know we've got some iffy lighting out there. But if you look towards the bottom left, between the highway and the off-ramp, you can see grass already starting to show up. Same thing on the right side there. So that's a lot of snow that is gone, and also causing some areas of low visibility as we get some of that snow to melt and some extra moisture in the atmosphere. So we could see some patchy fog because of that, but that snowpack really shrinking and kind of now being confined to some of those areas that were really hardest hit, especially Lake County, central eastern Lake County, and also northern Ashtabula County. So still going to be a little more to melt all the snow that they had up there, but certainly making leaps and strides in that direction the past couple of days. Now, as we go through this middle part of the week, we've got some big changes heading your way. As I mentioned, we're about 10 degrees above average for today. We're still going to be above average tomorrow, and then we trend very cold, especially as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, even lingering into Friday. With that change from mild to cold, we're going to see the chance for rain and then going into snow, especially for some of those lake effect areas that are kind of melting all of their snow from the last round of a lake effect. Here's how this looks with that big picture forecast. We are going to see another chance for some rain showers, just some scattered on and off showers, kind of like what we had this morning, but those will arrive mainly through lunchtime and into the afternoon, evening for tomorrow, particularly the further south and east you are. So warm enough tomorrow that any of that is going to fall as rain. As we get into Wednesday, temperatures will likely be falling as we go through the day, holding steady and falling, hovering in the low to mid 30s generally. So we're going to have a chance for a couple rain snow showers through the morning, and then the colder air really settles in into Thursday. That's going to kick off another round of lake effect snow for us, especially for areas east of Cleveland. For right now, that cold air is still well off to the northwest. Our temperatures are still hovering in the mid 40s for most of us. So our temperatures are not going to be too bad tonight, especially by December standards. We're only going to drop back into the lower 40s. We keep a lot of cloud cover around. Again, some patchy fog could be possible, especially where we have some of that snow melting. And an area of sprinkles, drizzle, maybe needing the windshield wipers if you're out and about, is not going to be out of the question. As we look at that National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast, as we get into tomorrow, mainly about lunchtime onward, again, we're going to see that chance for some scattered rain showers to come around, and it's not going to be a heavy rain by any means, just some light to moderate showers that are going to be with us through the afternoon, evening. Best focus is going to be areas further south and east, especially as we get later into the day. So all of this is going to be falling as rain, and then as we get into Wednesday, we'll probably have our high temperatures at midnight, and then through the day we're looking at the low to mid 30s. Chance for a couple isolated rain or snow showers during the morning. We're a little bit drier through the afternoon. Chance for a couple of additional snow showers as we get into the first part of the overnight. All of that may be just amounting to a quick dusting, and then that cold air really settles in with lake effect ongoing as we get into Thursday. So we got accumulations not looking like much, maybe just a dusting for most of us, and then we'll watch those areas of the snow belt for some additional accumulation between Wednesday night and Friday morning. Rest of your Union Home Mortgage extended forecast, Thursday is going to be our coldest day by far. From there, we do start to improve. We're looking at temperatures back into the 40s as we head into the weekend.
All right, Jessica, thanks a lot.